Hey, it's Dawson with Haley Home Services. If you're dealing with cracked drywall, water stains, or just wear and tear from everyday life, you might be wondering, do I really need to replace this, or can I just patch it up? I'm gonna break it down for you. If the damage is small, like nail holes, or small cracks from the foundation moving, or even small dents, then repair is totally fine. You could patch it, blend it with texture, prime and paint, and be good to go. That's the route we would typically recommend if the integrity of the wall is still strong. Now, if there has been major drywall damage, mold, or really large holes, then it's usually smarter to replace the whole panel. Although repairs can still be done, once drywall has been saturated or already has mold growing, repairs are just a temporary fix. Another factor to think about is texture matching. If your walls have a specific texture, like orange peel or knockdown, it is a lot easier to blend in a repair than to rip everything out and start fresh. If your wall's been repaired multiple times and you're starting to get that Frankenstein wall look, replacing might be the cleanest solution. At the end of the day, our job is to walk you through what is best for your home and your budget. Whether it's a quick and small repair or full drywall replacement, we'll make it look like nothing ever happened. If you are in Florida and you want help figuring out what option is best for your situation, reach out. We're happy to help. Don't forget to hit subscribe to get more tips just like this.